Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. How does the frequency of a tuning fork change when the temperature is increased? तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है रिलेशन बिटवीन फ्रीक्वेंसी frequency and temperature in a tuning fork. So this relation is given by the expression 1 by 2L root T by M, जहाँ पे L है length of the tuning fork, T is the temperature और M है mass of the tuning fork. तो इसी फॉर्मूला को लेके हम इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करेंगे. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी is related to the temperature as F is equal to 1 by 2L root T by M. तो अभी let us see how L and T will vary. If T is increased, तो हम ये देख सकते हैं कि L also increases, क्योंकि अभी हीट हो रहा है ट्यूनिंग फोर्क, तो उसका एक्सपेंशन होगा तो लेंथ विल ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज, बट L is inversely proportional to F, so therefore F will decrease as T is increased. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.